Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Microsoft account and make sure Rewards is enabled for your profile. Once signed in, check that your country and language match rewards availability. Regional mismatch blocks redemptions. Make sure two-step verification is set so you don't lose points to unauthorized access. Finally, open the Rewards dashboard. This is where you'll track points and available offers. From here, you'll immediately see daily sets and quick quests to begin earning right away. You focus on maximizing points by prioritizing reliable sources, daily sets, quizzes, and web searches. Use Microsoft Edge with Bing as your default to earn search credits automatically. Enabling the Rewards extension adds reminder prompts. Once done, hunt weekly and promotional offers, which often yield larger point boosts for minimal work. Make sure purchases at the Microsoft Store or Xbox during promotions are linked to your account so points register. Track progress in the dashboard so you don't miss expiring offers or caps. You're ready to redeem. Pick the reward that fits your needs and confirm the point cost and delivery method, digital code, email, or subscription credit. Once you request redemption, verify the expected delivery window and keep any confirmation emails. If a redemption doesn't appear, make sure your account region matches the reward. Check for pending or reverse transactions and gather order ID. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support with those ID. Persistent logging and screenshots speed up resolution and protect your points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.